I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by fixing the essentials: hydrate and fuel. Drink 250 to 500 ml of water because low fluid reduces alertness quickly. Once done, eat a light snack with 20-30 grams of protein and moderate carbs. This stabilizes blood sugar without crashing you later. Then, make sure to get bright light, 500 to 1000 lux or direct daylight, for 10 to 20 minutes to suppress melatonin. This shifts your body into wake mode, so the next actions work. You keep momentum by combining movement, timing, and environment. Every 60 to 90 minutes, stand up for 5 to 10 minutes of brisk walking or dynamic stretches. This raises heart rate and improves circulation. Then, use 100 to 200 mg of caffeine early in your awake period. This boosts alertness, but make sure to avoid it within 6 hours of when you want to sleep. Finally, sit upright in a cool room around 18 to 21 degrees C, and remove clutter so sensory input stays focused. You wrap up by using short recovery tactics and a clear exit plan. Schedule micro breaks of 2 to 5 minutes for focused breathing or a cold splash on your face every 90 minutes to reset attention. Then, alternate intense with easier tasks in 25 to 50-minute blocks so you avoid prolonged mental fatigue. If you hit a hard crash, try a 15 to 20-minute nap. If a nap isn't possible, take 20 to 40 mg caffeine and move vigorously for 5 to 10 minutes to recover.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.